Stop. You think you know packing cubes? This packing cube is next level. Let me show you how this will change your traveling life. If you're watching this video, it's because you understand the value of throwing your clothes into packing cubes. And I used to travel full-time for work for years. I'm not ashamed to say that I am obsessed with finding packing solutions that make it easier and simpler to travel without all of the ordeal of packing, unpacking, putting things away, feeling like you're living out of a suitcase. This solves that. Here's the packing cube, right? This is a hanging packing cube. And I have to just show you how it works because, it's amazing. First we unzip, that flips under, and look how much storage this provides. Before I fill this thing with clothes to pack, let me tell you about all the features because I have personally never seen such a well thought out design for hanging packing shelves, let alone packing cubes in general. We start out here at the top. They are a larger loop, which you don't always find in hanging storage like this. And sometimes they're designed for like smaller shelf things. So this is great. It also has this triangular design here that gives it more stability when it's hanging rather than just one that kind of makes it wobble back and forth. There's a built-in wire frame sewn into this. So you can't actually bend this thing in half or anything, but that's good because this gives you stability on every one of these shelves. Let's talk about the storage compartments in this. Each side has pockets like this, mesh pockets that hold quite a bit, right? There's an elastic that can kind of hold things inside. You can put anything in there from toiletries to undergarments. There's a zippered pocket right here. And then it has this ingenious set of hanging things. And then another thing right here, which also means that you can hang more of these if you need to hang another one further down. You can hook them onto each other. Same thing on this side, ample storage. Here's a zippered pocket. Again, like belts, cords, whatever you need in any of these. This is, oh, it's so nice. This is a nice double zipper. These are metal zippers, which is great because they're less likely to jam on you or break. So we've got this really large zippered pouch, and there you can see this is what flips inside out to eventually be the outside with the handle of the packing cube once you compress everything. But once it's hanging up, you've got this huge space to store whatever you need in there. This first shelf has an optional split so that it's two sections. The rest of the shelves are just wide open for you to do with them as you need. All right, let's go ahead and see if I can pack a week plus worth of clothes into this packing cube, which will then compress into a carry-on size luggage suitcase with absolutely no problems. What? Are you kidding? Hanging shelves, ready to go. No unpacking cubes, no going what's where. It's all here just as you packed it and organized it when you were ready to go. And you're using this like a regular closet or drawer dresser system. This hanging shelf packing cube system is the future of packing cubes. When it comes time to compress, find the straps in the back, bring it to the front, pull on them to tighten. So there's the compression, but we're not done yet. See this bottom zipper down here, when it's hanging, you use this as another shelf to store your shoes or whatever, but it's also to keep everything all in one and super compressed when you're in transit. What? Let's put it in a suitcase. Don't even need to do that. Like, what? No contest. To unpack once you get to your destination or when you get home and you just are dreading unpacking each of those packing cubes that you had to roll your clothes in and do all the things just to make it work. How about we just unzip, unclip, and hang? You see where I'm going here? You see the time this saves? Next level. Forget your packing cubes. Get one of these.